Pulling into the too cold office on the second floor. Let's see what I can find. Okay, I just spoke to the receptionist. They're wearing blankets at the moment because they're so cold. I did tell them I will help them out. What I can do. Okay, here you can see the damper position has gone to 0. The flow is to 0. Controller for this old train box. It's about 20 years old. The transducer that reads the air pressure and changes it to a electrical signal down to the board. Air filter for the secondary air using plenum air. It is clean. That is a good filter. Here's the shaft for her on an actuator, and I can tell by this slit, this mark here, it is actually open 50%. We got too much primary air. It's a 480 volt system, but I was getting 277 everywhere. I pulled on it everywhere and it's not broken. It's intact. Alright, that's just millivolts. It's nothing. Here's my control. I got 26 volts on this side. 26 on that side. 26. 26. I should get 0 or nothing millivolts if I go across. Which I do, 142 millivolts, that's nothing. Same here. Now my line voltage is 480. There's 482. Go to this side. I got absolutely nothing. The contactor is bad, so I got no line voltage to the heater electric coil. What I'm going to do is replace the mercury contactor with a magnetic contactor. As I get my tool bits in right. Volts, should have 480 and 482, should have 480 up here, and we do. Alright, we got line voltage to the heater. Let's go check if there's a heat rise. We'll go to one of the supplier. In the beginning we had a discharge air temperature of 68, and after the repair we're getting, at the moment, 74.5, 7 degree temperature rise.
And that'll continue as the space temp gets warmer. That discharge air temperature will get a bit warmer. Plus over here, we had a problem with too much primary air. I should close the electric dampers down some. We were only getting 70-degree air here, and now we're getting 85. So I'm going to call this air comfort restored here.